In this video, there's just a bunch of cute little things that inspire me to continue with my daily life, like God, my family, my friends, and so much more. Okay. Open him. This is for you to keep.
Wait, really?
Yes, it's for you to keep. I bought an extra from the thrift store for you.
She's singing my song, guys. I feel so important right now. Oh.
As you should. As you should.
Okay, so I'm gonna try. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna try the piece again. Okay. Make sure you come in. Okay. Marry me, Romeo. Marry me, Romeo. Okay, hold on. That's not. Whoa, you get ready, dance. You know that one? No. Oh, sounds fun now. Will you marry me? Oh my goodness.
2,000 years later.
Dress. Made in the 1980s.
I love your dress, kind woman. Kind woman.
I look like Red Riding Hood.
Oh, you do.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
We.
I'm the big bad wolf. Yeah. Okay. Was she here? Was she here? Go check. Go check. Dollars. Is she here?
Nala, stop blowing the fossil.
Nala! This is what happened when you guys came. Joy kept barking for no reason. Nallers! I blame this on you.
Nala.
I'm blaming on you, Nallers. Zoe. Svenja. Alicia. Why is Nala growling?
And like.
True. So we can we have just. Although they do have 5 cars, so. 2, 3, go. Oh. Oh. That was not as straight as I thought it was, but that's. You okay? No, I'm trying to avoid the flashlight. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh. Finally, oh my god. No, I will not let you brutally murder.
It work.
Let me cut it.
It's already gone. It's bleeding out. Just let it go.
Xena is so confused. She's like, what is going on right now? Yeah, we know Xena. I'm sorry.
Stop
He stole our watermelon! Oh my goodness, you guys are gonna pay. I'm cutting yours.
Yeah, I was about to mix it up with Sunday. It is good. God bringing us together once again. God is so good.
And also so cool because I didn't even think there is at all.
God was like, hee hee.
It's like, I know something you don't.
What?
Hello. So this is the first time I'm getting out in the house in a couple days, so I'm actually really excited. We're going to Burger Place and we got gluten-free buns. We tried some from Jada's, actually not bad, but I'm currently in the car right now and I have my blanket and everything, but I'm currently chilling and we're gonna try to do some stuff. But I'm also I don't know, my leg's kind of hurting, so my dad went in to get an ice pack real quick. That way I can have it, and then I'm gonna prop my leg up. Hopefully that helps because this really hurts. But also this is the new car. It's so comfortable. Look at how spacious it is. This is it's just so comfy. To my cup. Oh, thank you. My dad brought a cup holder. You can see the clouds are so pretty. The tree foliage is so pretty right now. It's it looks so cozy and so cute. I just finished my book and it was absolutely amazing. The way it ended was so good.
This would be kind of a cute photo, or if I would just really carefully sit on the edge, Can you
Recording.
hold that just for a second?
Will be strengthened in Jesus' name.
It wasn't that. I actually, really cute album cover. So like, if I do it. Cute dog. Okay, let's go over here. Making our way downtown. We're going over here. Oh, thank you for holding my bag, Daddy. We're going over to the pier. It's so pretty right now. It would be really cool if the leaves were changing as well, but this feels really good on my ankles though, because I haven't really been able to get a Walkman or anything. So
I love how there's there's chairs all along the way.
this is so cute. I want to sit here. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I want to sit right here. This is so cute. It's like shaded. This like chill. There's like this little. Ah, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Here, I'll put my camera down so you can get Romania. Romania. It was so funny, guys, because earlier, like, the whole group chat was talking, so it was so funny. What? Oh, it's okay. Continue. What were you saying?
Rocky movies.
Uh-huh.
They're so good.
They seem that they'd be interesting. Is that what you guys are watching with Leanne? No? You watch something else? I see. Wait a minute. Is that...
They make you
Oh my goodness, it's so cute. There's like this little area over here. This is so fun. What is this? Is
There's
this
one,
like...
John, where
This is so cute.
it's a newer,
What is
newish
this?
one.
Is this
Probably like a good
it's worldwide ladder crawl? Oh, that's fun. And just like read. I should have brought my book because it's just so
And I
cute.
don't remember exactly what happens, but somehow along the
Cutest thing
line,
ever.
toward the end of the movie,
Guys,
he
look
ends
at
up
this.
broken
Oh.
through.
Right, do you guys see this is like the prettiest view right here? Oh, there's something over there. It's,
But he
I
ends
would
up
love
having to
that.
go back into the ring and fight
So
again
sad.
as an older man. So he has to retrain and all that stuff
Cute.
to like to win.
So cute. This is the outfit. Yeah, and it's so cute. Like the leaves are kind of falling, so there's like a bunch of leaves on the ground. Oh my goodness.
Mayhem.
He's all right, but
See what you mean now. Guys, there's a little spot over here. So cute.
I was able to get up right on you.
Yeah. She's so pretty.
As I was walking, I couldn't help but notice this would definitely be like a scene in a Jane Austen book or a movie. Like, I don't know. A lot of the Jane Austen stuff I've watched definitely had this vibe, like this eerie, cute summer, spring. Like, I don't know, it just was so cozy and adorable. And there's little benches everywhere. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'd absolutely love to read here. Sadly, I didn't bring my foot. Oh my gosh, no. I meant that I completely forgot my book. Also, if you're wondering why I keep limping, is because I twisted my ankle and I was finally starting to heal. It'd been like, I think, a week since I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle the last sleepover, so this is kind of a video along a couple weeks, so just in case you're wondering. Making my way downtown, and I'm homebound.
Whoa, this is beautiful. Wow. I gotta film because in case the other ones keep The other ones are just like watching. They're like, what is happening? Where more gonna go? Let's see if I can film. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna make some pumpkin coffee because my mom made me some, not gluten-free. Well, gluten-free, dairy-free creamer. So I'm gonna try it. And I'm hoping it still tastes good. It's It still tastes fine. It tastes very much like pumpkin creamer. Ooh. Really drink actually like a bunch of coffee. And not I want a bunch, but I couldn't really drink any because it was too late by the time my mom made the creamer, which is fine. But she tried to look and see if she could find any pumpkin creamer, but she couldn't find any, so she made her own. I want pumpkin.
It's all mine.
You're fine.
Connor, you want to?
Did you get it?
So one of our favorite places just came out with a pumpkin gluten-free muffin, and I was so excited to try it because it was so amazing. Like, look at my face, you could tell I was so enjoying it. I ate the whole thing. I miss you guys so much!
Pop it. Yeah. Oh, you gotta pop the leg out. Pop it because I don't want to read. There's a car over there. Okay. I laugh. Wait, you didn't bring the book either? No, I know. I brought it with me, but I didn't bring it out of the car. It's gonna start pouring at any minute for some reason. It started pouring. It's me and the stage. It's actually really raining. Okay, should we go inside now, though? Why is it like... You got this. You got this. Yay. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Wait, but I think she's about to lock it up, though. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Yeah.
Nah, we're playing. What is that? Will you write something down?
I know what you're talking about, like a drawing. You have to try to guess the drawing. Is that what you're saying? Okay.
Sorry. I'm gonna put. Oh, wait, we're doing what? Sorry. The one where you like draw something.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't feel much.
That's good. Okay, I see what you mean.
So I can run.
And also
Hobbling for it.
and getting so because literally I'm on the last page of my journal, which is crazy, and I'll show you guys a new one. Let me show you guys. I also literally this was $4. It's like the cutest thing ever, and it definitely fits my style so well. So this is what it looks like. Like, look at this. This is so cute. There's like a little butterfly. I don't know. It's just like the perfect one. And I mean, it looks pretty thick as well, so I'm just hoping it actually stays together pretty well. That was my only other problem with this bind, because I feel like this has lasted longer. Like, is it kind of gross and the color is kind of fading? Yes, but it's lasting forever. Like, there's so much stuff in here, as you can tell. Like, it's just like full of like so much. It's really pretty though. Oh, I told Ollie! Does anybody want me as a stand? You guys. Me and Annie were talking, and what if we asked the parents if they want if they want to go exploring? Thank the Lord that my thing was on there.
Thank goodness you had a string.
I know. There's Annie. You go, girl. Is he? It was so.
dribble.
This is another episode of teaching you how to use your left hand, you stupido. So, you're gonna dribble like this.
Nope.
With one finger for the rest of your life.
And that's it. I mean,
Or you could just cross people out.
and then you can hit them with the spin.
And you can hit them with the curry slide.
And then you can go like and lose the ball. we so use basketballs.
We give you basketball for 50 cents.
And if you don't want them, don't buy them. They bounce.
They come with a complimentary 5 diseases. So get your basketball today.
10 out of 10 customers said that they would definitely buy again. Would recommend. We approve this message.
And your
And
health
you
insurance.
might, and your
Because you'll need it.
Yeah.
Your fingers might just fall off, but don't worry about it.
If he's internet famous, he's gonna become the watermelon kid.
It's the watermelon version.
Like you're wearing it as an outfit.
Oh.
This is like the cutest.
Like a watermelon version of the corn kid.
What?
It's cone.
It's cone.
It's a big lump with knobs.
It's cone. That's so unstable, Matthew. This is so cute. No joke. It looks
Jeremiah, no, I thought that was chunky for Jeremiah. Jenna thought that you were a bunny. She was topping your head up and down.
oh my goodness, that's all I could see, so I had no idea.
When you try to run into the pool of water.
And now I wonder if I could.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Jessica running. Run fast! Oh no, you saw what?
Oh, the water bugs.
Oh. Ass.
Where I go. so much fun. This is so therapeutic. Who needs therapy?
Yo!
Jessica's in her mom position now.
Run!
Also, if you wonder, oh my goodness, the side of this building is so cute. Like, look. I could see. Dun, dun, dun. They're going over there. I don't know where they're going. Like, don't see. That's Jessica and Andy. They're running. They're running, they're running, they're running. They're running, they're running, they're running. It's so cute over here though. Look at how many, there's so many buildings and everything. Oh my god, this is so cute. We're just legit on a frolic around town and it's like the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is like legit the life because it is so cute right now and I'm so happy right now. So, and my SD card is like legit almost full. So, oh look, they got him. They got him. There we go. Oh my gosh! Good thing I always forgot. It's okay. Oh my god, this is so funny. This is actually really cute. They're This is so cute over here. Oh my goodness. It's like absolutely adorable. It's like this. And then there's stairs and more stairs and more stairs. Oh my goodness, she's like going ahead. Oh, this is really cute though. Oh my goodness, there's a crime scene. Oh my goodness. There's a crime scene. Who was killed? Who's murdered? What happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a random home. Oh, that's not so aesthetic now, huh? This is just for guys. This is the perfect place for your phone. Free Wi-Fi, no. Karen, also you can go in the buildings. We've went in there before. There's actually different types of places, isn't there?
Yes, this is so cute. This is such a cute.
Pose and we'll post it on your story.
I'm gonna save the day. I know, it's so pretty.
It's like a runway.
It does. For next week. My goodness, wow. This sunset though, y'all. This sunset, dog. It's legit.
I don't need to turn around.
It's like really cute house over here. I want these. Can I just like steal them all? Can I just like knock on their door and be like, hey, can I have your house please? It's so cute. The girls one over there. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's not the right one actually. Oh. It's giving cottage. You know what I mean? Like it's giving cottage. That house is so cute. That one's so cute. Hold up. Hold there. I can see all of them. You better look this time. You better look this time. There's like, look at these houses. It's so cute. It's giving like Gilmore Girls there. Sorry. And there's a house over here. I'll show you guys. It's so cute. I hope I'm not just like blasting people on it. Like that one's really cute, and then that one's like giving like a wood cottage. That one's so cute too. And then there's another one like that one's so cute. Look at that. So cute. Oh, that one's really cute too. You can see it. This is my favorite. That was a flap. That house is so cute though. I love that one. Like, look at all these cute ones. Like, that one's really cute. Like, wouldn't this be so cute during the fall, though, being in this little town? I actually want to live here. Because, I mean, like, it's not little, but there's, like, so much stuff. I feel like this would be...
My camera storage is full, so I can't record. Yeah.
Or get one free. $3 sausage biscuit or sausage muffin and hash brown.
Look how cute it is.
This one is $3 sausage biscuit or sausage McMuffin and hash brown.
All night long.
That's perfect. My green bag.
No idea what this coffee is because we made it in advance, so I have no idea what the Liam picked up, so I have actually no idea what this is.
Which is
Interesting. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a bald eagle, I think.
We're going to McDonald's.
Okay, so right now I just tried the coffee. Bo's going in and he's getting some water, and then also he's gonna get a little bit of caramel for me because I don't really like. It's not that I don't like mine. I'm not trying to be ungrateful or anything. I just like, you know, like when you get coffee, it's like, oh, this is really good, but it's like just a little bit more like caramel or like a little bit more flavoring. That's what mine was. So, and it's decaf almond milk, so I can't expect it to be like the best coffee in the world. Although I don't really like Starbucks anymore. I used to get Starbucks a lot, but like I don't really like getting coffee like a lot. I feel like it's good to balance it out. But I don't really like caramel, or not caramel, oh my gosh, why am I saying caramel? I don't really like Starbucks anymore. It's just kind of a thing that's been happening. So. Also, we're helping our friend move, and if you guys know her, you guys are probably seeing her in my videos. Although, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do because okay, so as you guys know, I injured my leg, and so like it's really difficult for me to do stuff. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be able to do because I was maybe on Dakota duty, but I tried that and it did not work very well because I was like really uncomfortable. Sorry, I'm like just like I like to just like look around because it's just more, and also I feel like it looks better me actually filming. But I don't really care. I'm not worried about, you know, like people. I'm not worried about that. God's got me. I'm not even worried. And honestly, I've gotten to the point where like nothing embarrasses me. I don't care. I don't even care if I'm filming in front of a teenage boy. Like I just don't care anymore. Like I used to. Hey, did you get caramel? You're gonna be in it because it's the best angle.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the best angle you got?
Yeah, it is. Okay. You can just hide if you don't want to be in the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely pay attention to them right there in the corner of the screen. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, like, and turn on all the post notifications for all my next videos. I will see you guys whenever. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next. And I'll see you guys next time. Remember that you are so very loved and God has great purpose and plan for your life. And see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.